Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with our error detection techniques. In the previous video, I explained about the parity checker. Now let's have a look on the checksum. So checksum is one of the error detecting technique. Here, this is a one technique we are trying to identify the error. It is only detecting the error, not correcting the error. For correcting the error, students, we need to use the Hamming code. So how this method is helpful for detecting the errors. Now let's have a look. Here I have written a matter for your reference students. I'll explain this with an example. Don't worry if you didn't understand this matter. If you listen the example, then you can clearly understand the content. Okay. So first let me explain you the content. In checksum error detection scheme, the data is divided into k segments, each of m bits. Means suppose if your data is there, a big data which consisting of ones and zeros, this complete ones and zeros, the data is divided into k segments. Suppose like this, it will be divided into k segments. So each segment is having m bits. Let's take this is 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, like that. So each segment is here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 segments are there. Each segment is having m bits. So divide the data like this. Okay. After that, what you have to do? In the sender's end, the segment are added using ones complement arithmetic. Okay. By using ones complement arithmetic, try to get the sum. That means first segment is added with the second segment. Do the arithmetic complement. Ones complement arithmetic, try to add the segments to get the sum. So for this, again the result should be added with plus 3 and again the result should be added to 4, like that. So add the segments using ones complement arithmetic to get the sum. Okay, finally you get some sum. So this sum is complemented to get the checksum. Again do the ones complement of the sum, you will get the checksum. Okay. This is all everything at the receiver side only. Sender side. I'm sorry. Sender side. So sender side, I divide the data into segment. So each segment is added to the next segment and finally I'll get some sum. So that means you have to do the ones complement arithmetic operation. I'll explain you how to do that ones complement arithmetic also. So when whatever the sum you got, the final sum, that you need to do the ones complement. Then you will get the checksum. So the sender side is this. Now checksum segment is sent along with the data segment. So along with the data segment, whatever the 4 segment is there, try to add one more segment, that is the checksum. So try to add the checksum which is of 8 bits and send this data to the receiver side. Okay, the receiver is try to receive the data which is having 5 segments. So what the receiver will do? At receiver's end, all received segments are added using ones complement arithmetic. Okay, here he is also doing the same thing. 1 plus 2 and the result is adding with the 3 and again the result is adding with the 4. Again the result is adding with the 5. Okay, so using ones complement arithmetic to get the sum. Again the final sum is to be complemented. Okay, complemented. If the complemented sum is 0, if you get all zeros, then data is accepted. Otherwise data is rejected. So I hope you understand what exactly the checksum is. So let me explain you with the example so that you can clearly understand what happening here. Okay, so let me take my original data. I am dividing my original data into segments. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So this is one segment and second segment 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. This is a second segment. I'm just dividing segments. Okay, and 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is my third segment and the fourth segment 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so total 4 segments are there, that is k is equal to 4. So and m is equal to 8 bits. So each segment is consisting of m bytes. K is equal to 4 and m is equal to 8 bits. Now first let me write the sender. Sender is trying to send the data. How he is sending, let's have a look. So first take the first data. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Students, try to Keep concentrate. I'm taking the second segment data. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now try to do the ones complement arithmetic operation. So 1, 0 means 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 means 1, 0. Okay. So, and here let me take 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is 1, 1, 3 zeros and 1, 0. Okay, I'm just adding 1, 0, you'll get 1 only. And 0, 1, you'll get 1 only. And 0, 0, it's a 0. And again 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Whenever 1, 1 is there, you'll get 1, 0, right? 1, 0. So this 1 is again you need to be added. Because this is the ones complement arithmetic. The carry should be added again. So 1, 1 means 1, 0. 1, 1 means 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is your sum. Now you add the 3 to the segment. So this is a segment. Whatever you got, the new segment, and add the 3. What is the third bit segment? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now add 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So now add fourth segment. The fourth segment is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 1 means you are getting 1, 0. So 1 is a carry. So try to add it again. Try to add it again. Then you are getting 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is, what is this? This is your sum. This is your sum. So according to the content what I said, now whatever the sum you get, sum is complemented to get the checksum. So try to complement it. So what is the complemented data? The complemented data is, instead of 0 you have to write the 1 complements, one's complement. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, in place of 1, 0, in place of 0, 1, 0. So this is your checksum. So now according to the content what I have to, now checksum segment is sent along with the data segment. So this checksum segment will be sent along with the data segment. So first in the receiver side also it is doing the same work. Receiver side. So let's do this. The first segment is, what is the first segment? 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the first segment. And try to add the second segment. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, you are getting the same. Whatever you are done here up to the fourth one, everything is the same. But for the final sum, you need to add the checksum. So that is what the receiver will do. Okay. So the same thing, whatever you are getting here, students, I am just writing here. Sorry, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0, 1. So try to add this. And you are getting 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so now add the third segment to this. Third segment is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and this becomes 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1. Okay, now try to add the fourth segment, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So if you add this, so 1, 0 you are getting, try to add this one here, and you are getting, this is your sum, right? So this is what you are getting here. This is a sum. So sorry, this is a sum. I'm sorry. This is a sum. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is what you get the sum. So what this, for this sum, the fourth segment, try to add the checksum. What is the checksum here? The checksum is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So try to add the checksum. So now do the ones complement arithmetic operation. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is your sum. So what I said, at the receiver end, all the received segments are added using ones complement arithmetic to get the sum. Okay, to get the sum. So the sum is complemented. Again, whatever the sum you got, okay, you need to complement it. So after complementing, what you are getting? All zeros. If all zeros are there, if the result is 0, the received data is accepted. If the received data is, if you didn't get all zeros, then the received data is rejected. So this is how the checksum is going to be, you're going to perform the operation. So simple thing, students, whatever the data you have taken, try to divide it into segments. So try to add each segment one by one, 1 plus 2, and the result again add to 3, and again result add to the 4. After, you will get the final sum. So the sum should be complemented. It should be complemented. Whenever you complemented the sum, that you call it as a checksum. Now you have to add this checksum to the segments. So the receiver, what he is doing, he is also doing the same operation, adding one segment, 1 plus 2, and the result will be 3, and the result will be 4, and the fourth result will be added to the checksum, and you'll get a final sum. That sum should be complemented. Whenever you complemented, if you get all zeros, then it is accepted. Otherwise, the string is the data is rejected. Means you didn't get the you didn't receive the correct data. So this is how one of the error detection technique, the checksum.